And when you get a brush and pull that out, I just don't do that.
At least not real windy like it was the other day. Not real windy. We're supposed to get some rain today, and I'm like, man, I'm glad that garage has got an overhang on it on the other
I
one.
looked and we were only in like 10-15%.
That's not bad. Yeah, because I saw it sunny all week, so.
It was pretty cloudy coming up here. Where you get where I can't get right now.
Yeah, this will look nice. You'll feather this in, it'll look good. Might need a job when I retire, Larry. You might have to hire me. I learn quick. Yeah, it's gonna look nice.